So we already identified the worst Hot Wheels ever made, but let's talk about the 20 heavy hitters. Starting it off with the custom Volkswagen Beetle. This one's a pretty cool one. There's one with the roof rack and one with an open top. Both of them are pretty sweet. A lot of really cool variations, and the most recent was the Bumblebee. Definitely love the patina on that one. For my bow tie lovers, the custom 68 Camaro. This is a pretty sweet release, but the white one just hits different with that race livery. Going back to the OG, the 67 Camaro. Now that one has a lot of releases, a lot of variations, but this is a sweet one right here. 62 Chevy. Now, I don't collect trucks anymore, but if I did, this one is the perfect ride height. Slammed, surfboard. I mean, this thing is awesome, and this particular release is one of my favorites. All right, here we go, the Hype Train R32. Now, there's been a lot of releases, a lot of main lines, but I gotta say this red one, that one is perfection. And of course, with another R32 GTR, aka the most recent one, the Godzilla, but the old school release with the plastic wing. Now that one was well done. The latest releases, they're cool, but not as well as this one. And if you like R32s, you gotta love the R35s, particularly the Godzilla. But you also had the Super. The ID one was flawless in that Spectre Flame Blue. And of course, the black Kroger exclusive. That one, man, these were some heavy hitters. Koenigsegg Jesko. Now, I do like hypercars. This one was a pretty sweet one, but the red edition, if that was your first impression, that probably got you into collecting the Jeskos. But of course, all the colors are pretty sweet, especially that purple. That was a very nice color. And we gotta talk about it. The 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback, the best casting of the Mustang Hot Wheels has done. There's some other honorable mentions, but the 65 just hits different with the proportions and the setup. But this particular release, the red with the number 11 meatball, man, that looks so good. 63 Impala Boulevard, that is a beautiful casting. I mean, it is just one that they need to bring back out because we want to see more of that one. We can't make this list without the Bone Shaker. That was one car that a lot of people like. It's a fantasy car, it's a real build. That thing is pretty sweet, a lot of variations, so many releases, down from monster trucks to IDs to supers, even treasure hunts. We got the Dodge Viper GTS, really nice casting. Love Vipers, love the way they did this tooling. And of course, the color setups are pretty sweet looking. Oldie but a goodie, not really oldie, but they don't make it anymore. The Celine S7. Now, a lot of the releases weren't the greatest, but the first few, the silvers, pretty nice. But of course, this one right here with the race setup is awesome. The Corvette Stingray concept car, this one was awesome. It was also showcased in Transformers. Just love this one. They need to bring this one back out. For my Mopar lovers, the 70 Dodge Charger. This right here looks awesome. It is a car that I would absolutely see at a car show if I went out there. Especially those colors. Man, those are spot on. Another Mopar 71 Challenger, especially with these factory setups. I mean, it just looks like it should be cruising out on the streets. Big Bad Wing, the 70 Plymouth Superbird. This release right here just captures how that casting is. A lot of great releases, but this one's my favorite. All right, we got to throw this one in there. The Dodge Tomahawk, particularly this gold one. The Mercedes-Benz C-Class, one of my favorites as a kid, especially the black. There's a red one, a yellow one. Just, I don't know, something about that car looks really good as a four-door sedan with a big wing, lace wheels. Awesome execution. And one of my personal favorites, last but not least, the Oldsmobile Aurora GTS 1. Full race car, absolutely cool. Wish Oldsmobile still made that car. I wish Oldsmobile was still around, but this one right here is awesome. So there you go, 20 cars I think everyone should at least collect one of because they're pretty awesome. If I missed anything, let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, which one I missed. Of course, stay tuned till the next one.